Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make Guthrie sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also be sure to go down and check out that description box below. Not only will you find the recipe for this video, but you will also find a ton of groovy links. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Guthrie sauce. Let's drop down here and check out our ingredients. We are going to start out with a half a cup of mayonnaise, a quarter cup of ketchup, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a ton of black pepper. Let's start mixing it up. All right, make sure you've got yourself a big enough bowl for all the ingredients, and then just start mixing them up. Get your mayo in there. Get your ketchup. You got your garlic powder. We've got our Worcestershire sauce. Now I am going to, according to the recipe, we're just going to hit the whole top of this bowl with pepper. So it's just covered with pepper. And then you mix it up. Hit it again with pepper, covering all of the surface. Mix this up. You want to refrigerate this for at least 20 minutes to an hour. And we got some chicken strips in the oven to try this out. Stick around, we're coming back to try it out. Well, those are beautiful shots of this chicken in the sauce. Let's give it a try here. Pull some of this chicken off here. Here we go. Yeah, that is very good. The creaminess of that mayonnaise, the ketchup blends it in, gives it some more umami with that Worcestershire sauce. And you can taste the hint of garlic in there with that pepper. Just enough pepper. I would put more in there, but you can really taste that. But it's very creamy, very good. Hope you make it. Give it a try. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out that description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlist I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.